so here we got, this is a, I'm gonna be filming the whole apartment complex right now. This is part 1 to the apartment complex. It's just this whole section right here, around the edge and back, all the units here. So we're gonna film these units right here, right now. This is like one of, this is one of 5 parts, I think. And yeah, the next weekend I'll come back here. Alright, so here, anyways, here's this first, here's this first Snyder General. I think I was at your pumps in. This thing's like kind of squeaky. I'm not sure when that's from. I can't make that out. That line's pretty cold. Here's this Garrison right here by Nordyne. It's Garrison. It's a cold punch scroll. This thing is a 2000 something. Pretty sure that's from 01. It's a 2-ton. This one's probably a 2-ton as well. Here's another Snyder General. The fan's kind of powerful in this thing. It's popping out. How's that line feel? I don't know why that feels cold, but yeah, anyways, there are these units. Over here, we got some others. We got a Goodman, another Snyder General, and then another Goodman. Here's the Goodman right here. I'll just turn off. This one just turned off. No, one just turned off. So here's this one over here. These Goodmans. This one has a open scroll. This one's from 2011 and it's a 2-ton. Here's another Snyder General that's not running. This one is covered. It's from 2009. It's a 2-ton. It's Goodman logo. All right, and then over here, it's gonna kind of film over here. I don't want to get burned. All right, and then over here, we actually got some stuff running. Here. Okay. All right. I'm gonna. Here's this. All right. Here's this little comfort range right here running. It's from 2004 or 5. I think that's from 2000. Actually, no, that's probably from 2005, and it's a 2-ton. That's very cold. There's a couple of Goodmans. This is an old one. A Goodman CPLE. It's a recip. This is probably a CPLE model. Actually, it's a CPLE 2-ton. I'm not sure what year. I can't make that out. But yeah, here's this little comfort range on, and this other Goodman right here. But yeah, there's this little comfort range. There it is. Alright. And then these ones. All of them. Let's get back. So you get the whole thing. There it is. Jump over these daffodils. Take a spot over here. Take a look at these ones. Here we're gonna take a look at these. Alright, and these ones over here. We're also gonna take a look at. Here's this damaged one right here. It's damaged right here. This one has a pretty bent up coil. It's Copeland recip. It's from 2007. It's a 2-ton. And this little Janitrol Goodman. It's a Janitrol. Or it could be a Goodman dessert series. I'm not too sure if it's a Goodman dessert series or a Janet. I'm pretty sure this is a Janet Troll. So it's from, I don't know what that is. It's a 2-ton. Actually, might be a Goodman. I don't know. This is another Goodman right here. Here it is, 2009 2-ton. Alright, and then this damaged one. I hear some units running over there. Alright, there's a screenshot. Hearing something. These ones. Oh. Some Goodman just turned off. I'm gonna make sure no one's coming here. This one just turned off. It's got a Copeland scroll. I was just running. That one, it's not sweaty. It's from 2014 and it's a 2-ton. There. It's the Janet Troll. And it's a good one. I think it's from 2006. 2-ton. Oh, I gotta get out of here. Make sure I don't get caught. And then I'm gonna go around there.
Just say whatever's coming back.
I'm not gonna go back there yet. I will eventually. I'll take a peek back here. Alright, so here are these units over here. Here's this one. This one has a pretty bad shake to it. 2017, and it's a 2-ton, and this thing's really dirty. Yeah. There's these ones. I had to be really quick because there are people. And then these ones over here that aren't running. This one's not sure when. This one's 2014. This one's not sure when as well. But yeah, here are these ones. Alright. Oh, there's people over there. Just gonna avoid those. Oh, something just turned off. One of these just turned off. It's this one. These Goodmans. Here's something running over here. This one's running. There's a couple other Goodmans right here. Copeland scroll. This one's probably from 2014. Yeah, it's from 2014. It's 2-ton. This one has a Copeland reset. This is Goodman right here. This one's from 2000. This one's from 2008, I think, and then, or actually no, this is from 2007. It's a 2-ton. Here's and then this Goodman that's running. It's a reset. 2009, 2-ton. Mine's very cold and sort of sweaty. I don't know why the air's coming out of these are kind of cold. There are those ones. Oh no! Hey, look at this. Spring. Some over here. These ones right here. This one turned off. There's still Goodman wrapper on it. I hate that people don't peel it off. There's the Goodman right here. This has a Copeland scroll. And there's a reversing. Wait, is this even a heat pump? Yeah, that's a heat pump. That's a tiny reversing valve. It's really small. It's British from fan motor. 14 to 15 SEER. So 2019. This is recent. 2-ton. Yes, I think it's been running. This one's definitely been running. This is the one that shut off. This one's also, I think, from 2019. Copeland scroll. Oh, just jump over these lines. Or step over them. 2014-15 SEER. 2019 2-ton as well. This one's probably the same. 2019 2-ton. This one on the back. This is the one that was running, because that's all cold. This one right here. There's a Copeland scroll as well. Pretty sure 14-15 SEER. Here are these ones. And then here's something that's running. This Snyder General. Thompson. Wow, that line is sweaty. Good God. I can't make it out. This is a Snyder General. There's a couple of good ones. Not totally fun of those. Yeah. Units. Now I'm gonna film these ones over here. This one I caught a defrost of last winter. If you guys remember, I caught a defrost of this one last heating season. This one I got a defrost of. 2009 2-ton. I don't know what the. Okay, this is 2014. I caught this starting up several times. Here's another good one. Right here. Here's a picture of the one I got from defrosting. There, screenshot that. That's the one I got defrosting. And then over here, here's this little Goodman. Over here, this is the one I got defrosting in heating season 2021-2022. Valve expansion, unprobable, I don't know what. Okay, there it is. This is Goodman. This is a recip. This is from 2003 and it's a 2-ton CPLE. Oh wow, that's sweaty. Alright. Yeah, blue Goodman. Got defrost though. It's a comfort range. This Copeland recip. It's from 2005 and it's a 2-ton. Has it been running? No. I think so. Here's this old Snyder General. Yeah, here's all these. Right here. And these ones. And then these ones down here. This little comfort range I caught a defrost of last heating season as well. Okay. It's a Copeland recip. Right there's the reversing valve. I think that has a GE motor. And it's from 2004 and it's a it's from 2004 and it's a 2-ton. There it is. Little comfort range. And then here's this Goodman with a crooked logo, with a very crooked logo. This one right here. I don't see that thing running too often. This one. It's from 2008 and it's a 2-ton. It's been running. Alright. It's a Garrison. Let's go up and scroll. Oh! Hello! Oh, and that comfort range I think just turned on. Well, there's a startup of this unit. And I think this one just turned on too. Oh, this one just turned on. Right here. This whole Snyder General. It says there's 2 pumps in. Here's this one running. Oh, this one just turned on now. Here's this one running. It's a Copeland scroll. Sounds nice. 2002 2-ton. It's starting to get cold now. This thing actually sounds really nice. Listen. You hear that? And then this one that turned on right here. This one that just turned on. Those are the 2-ton. And this one. 2001 2-ton. Alright. Here are these ones. And these ones. 3 units like turned on close to the same time. That's awesome. This one turned on first, that one turned on second, and then that one turned on third. That was awesome. I should get this from the other angle. But yeah, here we go. Start with the Garrison. There's a Goodman. Start with the Goodman. And then this one over here. Thought this thing was running for a second. Just this little Goodman. Right here. That's real safe. 2006 2-ton. Cool. Here's this Goodman. Flip and scroll. 2014 2-ton. That's not been running. Those ones right here. And then then this thing is gonna wrap around. So yeah, there are those ones. And then over here. Okay. I'm just gonna film these ones. And then these ones over here. This little Snyder General. I don't think I've gotten to these units yet. Is this one? This one. It's called. This Goodman right here. Flip and scroll. This I think that actually has been running. 2014 2-ton. And then this one that has the crookedest logo I've ever seen. Let's fix that. The one flip and scroll. Oh, the 2014 2-ton. It's very cold, very, very cold. Oh, the logo got screwed up again. That's what that sound might have been. So here are these units. Right here. Just gonna. That one's loud. Little Snyder General. And then these ones over here. Here, these little bad boys. Snyder General. Right here. Cold. And it's Goodman. Right here. It's Cope and Scroll. It's from 2013. It's a 2-ton. It's cold. Yeah, they're there. Right there. And right there is where part 3 will take place. This is right there. This is just part 1. And here's one over here. It's Goodman. It's probably from 2014 and it's a 2-ton. It's cool. Oh, the air feels nice coming out of there. There's a little comfort range with a fade. It's a really faded logo. Little comfort range. This from 2005 and it's 2-ton. There. Let's go open the receipt. This is Goodman. CPLE 2003. 2-ton. Most of these are 2-tons. And then, so there's some right here. Right there. There are these ones. It's gonna be even hotter next weekend, so I might get even more. Alright. And over here, we got 3 others. None of them are running, unfortunately. So these are just Snyder General. And the Goodman. So, open scroll. 2014, 2.5 ton, or 2 ton. None of these are 2.5 tons. They're all 2 tons. This whole apartment uses 2 tons. 2 ton heat pumps. There are those ones. There are those ones. And that right there is part 3. But actually, I think I might get to this already. This is pre-part 3. So right here, here's this, what is this? This is like a Ohio ICP something. Has a Copeland scroll. Sorry, I just had to film this one. This is new. 2017 2 ton. It's cold. Yeah. Very cold. I'm not gonna, this is the only one I'm filming here because there are others I'm gonna film. So yeah, here's this one running. Then we'll head back. Okay. Gonna head back. So there are these units. I'll probably skip through some of this. Someone's still running. Oh, it's still running. Oh, not. I think one of those Goodmans just turned off. And then this one, right here, they're still running. Well, let's head to the back of the front side of these ones. Oh, not. Middle Goodman turned off. Just check out over here. There's the pool right there. Here are these ones. Right here. It's a Goodman. 2003. Hope none of these scare me. 2012. 2 ton. This one's from 2012. 2000. Is that 2002? 2 ton. Okay. It's a Copeland scroll. It's Garrison. These ones. I don't want to step on all this grass. And then these ones over here. It's Garrison. This has a Copeland scroll. Gentex hand loader. 2001 2 ton. Yeah, there's like stuff on there. There's this Goodman. 2004 2.5 ton. This is like the only 2.5 ton. What the heck? Janitrol is from 2000 and it's what's that? Oh yeah, 2 ton. And there's some over here. One of this sounds really weird. Oh, that thing sounds really beaten up. It's Garrison. It's a Copeland scroll. What the hell? Someone's beating up on this thing. There's a reversing valve. That's very cold. 2001 2 ton. And these ones, center general and comfort range. This comfort range could be a 2.5 ton. What? So actually there are multiple 2.5 tons. So there's actually apparently taller ones of comfort ranges. So yeah, there's a messed up Garrison right there. Anyways, here. And then there's a comfort range over there I'll get to after these Concords that are not running. Right here. It's a Copeland scroll. Open Emerson scroll. Right there. There's a reversing valve. 2016 2 ton. 4 HP 14. Here's just a reversing valve. Another Concord. Open scroll. 2016 2 ton. Same model. 2016 2-ton. That one there. Copeland scroll. There. Just gonna get these ones here. And then over here, we got a little comfort range right here that I cut a defrost of last winter. Get the motor data. I think this one's 2001. It's 2-ton. Very cold. Little comfort range. Right there. Alright, good. And over here, the last one's over here. These last ones here. It's Goodman. This Goodman, I caught a tail end of defrost last winter. Caught a tail end of this one. It's very cold. So there's an open window. I gotta move. Just there. And then these ones over here. This is Goodman. Copeland recip. 2007 2-ton. It's a little paint stroke. Goodman. You don't have a logo? Doesn't. So I know it's a Garrison though. It's a Copeland scroll. 2001 2-ton. Here's these ones. There. Someone just turn on? No. These ones. Oh. Don't want to get in the person's window. I'll have to come back to those sometime later. These ones. It's like an old Nordyne. Right here. These are hissing. This one's hissing. Was it just run? Yeah, it was just running. 2000. I don't know when this is. 2002 2-ton. There. This one right there. These ones. I'll grab these bad boys right here. Just a squirrel right there. There's like someone in their window, so I decided not to. There's a standard general running. I don't want to. I'm just gonna hop back. Oh, that one just turned on. I think this one just turned on. This one just turned on. It's Goodman. It's damaged one. Ah. 2007 2-ton. I don't know what caused this thing to be broken up. But yeah, there's this one running. Yeah. Check out the back side of this thing. Here are these ones. It's Garrison, it's not running. It's Goodman. It's 2008 2-ton. There. There you go. These three. There. Alright. Head back here. Alright. Here's that one running. Just gonna open back area. I don't know what that sound is. This Goodman was actually broken last year. Trying to do this. Let's get our stuff dripping. Here's this one running. 2013 is a 2-ton. There. And then over here, these ones, none of them are running. This one is hacked. Pretty badly. 2008, 2-ton. There, this hasn't been running. There are these ones. I'm gonna make this kind of quick. It's an open window there too. Just don't want to get something on my foot. And then over here, you got some comfort ranges. Right here. It's just this one that's running. It's couple reset. Faded data. I don't know what that is. 2004, 2.5 ton. I knew this thing was probably a 2.5 ton. There's comfort range right here. And then this other one that's off. Here. Right there. We got these ones. And these ones. And then we'll head around back. It's these ones right here. Oh, jeez. This one's the only one running. Oh, wow, it shakes a lot. It's good, man. 2011, 2-ton. Very cool. Oh, this is like the perfect shot to get like all of them if I zoom out. Or I can get that one perfectly. And then I can get all of them like this. Or, yeah, actually, no, I want to do this. That's good. Let's go around the back, which is the final side of the complex. It's right there. There's that one. Let's come. Alright, these ones. That's for part 2. Right there, that's part 2. Oh my god. This is all for part 2. Good god, that was a massively open window. Comfort range. It's 2005 2-ton. Just gonna get a quick little shot of it. Don't want to get caught. That was a massively open window. See right there, that's part 2. It's this one. 2005 2-ton. And then this Goodman that's running. Open reset. 2007 2-ton. Here. This is the one that turned on for me last summer. That's actually the comfort range for our room up there. That was up there. That one right there. So yeah, that's special. Right there. Oh, a new carrier. No way. This little comfort range is not one. 2004 2-ton. This is Goodman. Alright. It's 2014 2-ton. Get a picture of these ones. Those 3. There's some on there. Brain. Wait, I'll film these ones. Alright. I'm sorry I can't really get to some of these. This is Goodman's. These are all from 2017, and they're 2 tons. I have to go now, so I can't stay here too much longer. That's okay. I'll get to. Oh, and that's the SmartComfort right here turned on. It's this new SmartComfort that I filmed earlier. Turned on. There it is. It's very cold. 2021 is the 2-ton. Oh, jeez, that scratched me really hard. There it is. Good God, that scratched me very badly. Ow. Jesus. Freaking branch shrub. Scratched me. Till 9. Don't scratch yourself on shrubs now. That one. I can't get the rest of this complex. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out. There's part 1.